Hello everyone, in this video we will see about the UK temporary seasonal worker visa. UK temporary seasonal worker visa is only for those who are eligible to work in the edible horticulture area. Edible horticulture is nothing but the farming sector where you will be having some farm work, or you will be picking the fruits during the season. So UK seasonal worker visa is about to start. The season for agriculture is about to start. So after May, June, July, August until September, you have a very high requirement or high need for seasonal workers who need to work in the UK farms. A lot of people will apply for seasonal worker visa during the month starting from April till September because of the agriculture period in UK. Welcome to channel, this is Sundar Ayappan. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Your like, subscribe and comments are really helpful for me to put new videos. Let's get into the video. This video is for the seasonal temporary visa for UK. I have earlier put a video on temporary seasonal workers for UK. So only 2 companies were having the sponsorship license to bring temporary seasonal workers. However, now in 2022, I have seen an updated list of companies. There are 2 more companies added into the seasonal worker visa. So the main requirement for seasonal worker visa is you need to have a sponsor. As I mentioned, the sponsor number has been increased from 2 to 4. So you have now 4 companies you can apply for the seasonal worker visa. That's a major update. So I will just tell the list of companies you can apply, or the list of companies eligible to bring seasonal worker visa to UK. AG Recruitment and Management Company, which is in Eversham, Kent. And then Concordia UK Limited, which is an existing company, which I told in the previous videos as well. So they are also there, still there. And Fruitful Jobs Limited, which is a new company. So they are the new addition to the existing list. That's Fruitful Jobs Limited. Proforce Limited is another existing company, which I mentioned in the previous video. They are still there, who are eligible to bring sponsored seasonal worker visa to UK. So what are the main requirements for seasonal worker UK? You can come to UK in the seasonal worker visa for 6 months. You can stay maximum of 6 months, that is allowed. And you need a sponsor, so you can get a job from the 4 sponsors which I told before. The visa fees is £244, which is much cheaper than when compared to other work visa in UK. You need to show £1,270 as maintenance of funds for this visa. As usual, you need to keep that fund for 28 days in your account, and the account statement should show that you had the money in your account for 28 days. That's the requirement for maintenance of funds. And there are some conditions for this seasonal worker visa. You cannot work for other employer. You can only work for the sponsor who has given the job. You can only work for that employer. You cannot have a second job. That's not allowed. And you cannot have access to the public funds, that is UK government funds. You cannot go for a permanent job because this is seasonal temporary work visa only for 6 months. You cannot go for a permanent work. You cannot bring your family. These are the conditions for seasonal worker visa in UK. After the Brexit, lot of people from East Europe or European countries, they have gone back to their country. So UK needs more workers to work in the farms or fruit picking or harvesting fruits. That is, the peak season is starting from June, July, August, September. So during the time, lot of farms or lot of farmers require lot of people to help to cultivate or harvest their fruits, pick their fruits like strawberry, blueberry, raspberries and other farm items. So the temporary seasonal worker visa is only eligible to work in the edible ornamental sector, that is the horticulture sector. They allow the people to come and work on and only for 6 months. So for the 6 months you can come and work, and then you go back, you get a good experience, you get a good money with that £244 fees, that is visa fees. So there is no English requirement for this visa. Only requirement is you need to find the sponsor who can give you the visa. That's the main requirement, and you have to pay the fees and then the maintenance of funds, £1,270. If you satisfy this, you can come for 6 months, work in the UK as a temporary seasonal worker, and the pay salary is mostly given in the hour basis. The salary for 1 hour is £8.91. That's likely to increase from April to £9.50 per hour. So if you work for 8 hours, you will be closely used to get around £85 per day if you work for 8 hours. So you can calculate for 6 months how much money you will get. But this the amount you get will not be taxed, because the 6 months you will not be crossing £12,400, which is the amount after that you will be taxed. So you will be almost having your own all the money, that is 12,000 pounds. If you earn in the 6 months time, you can have it with you. So you will be paying national insurance. That's again not applicable for the first 12 months of your work in UK. So you are going to be only for 6 months. Starting from April onward, the seasonal workers are required for UK, so you can apply. Hope this video helped you information on the UK temporary seasonal worker visa. We will see in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.